We're given to understand that there is a fresh twist in the bed allotment scam that was unearthed by BJP MP Tejasvi Surya and some of the MLAs in Bengaluru. We're now given to understand that BJP MLA's aide has attacked IAS officer. Last week, an incident took place in the HSR layout area of Bengaluru, where an unauthorized man was caught loitering around in the war room of the civic body. He was reportedly giving instructions to the staff members after allotting beds to asymptomatic patients. We're now given to understand that the men there get out the BBMP officer in charge. And BJP's role is now under the scanner. The aide of a BJP MLA is now under the scanner in this entire controversy. Imran continues to be with us. Imran, what more details can you share with us?
Well, this video has come out late after Tejasvi Surya along with Satish Reddy MLA and his uncle, another MLA, Ravi Subramanya, went to the BBMP war room accusing that certain persons are involved in the bed allotment scam. It led to a controversy over naming of certain minority individuals. Now, this video has come out where Satish Reddy's followers can be seen attacking IAS officer Yashwant, and in his own presence. What the details are coming out is that one of the Satish Reddy's close aide, Babu, was there in the war room, and to which BBMP officers objected, saying, "Why are you there and why are you directing the people regarding the bed allotment?" To which many Satish Reddy's supporters get out, more than 100 people get out the BBMP war room and even heckled in front of the policemen, in front of the MLA. The IAS officer was heckled. The video has come out late. The opposition is demanded as action against Satish Reddy. And in fact, the Congress has demanded that the state government register a FIR against Satish Reddy for heckling an officer during COVID duty.
Right, and what's interesting is even the cops couldn't stop what was happening there. The ruckus ensuing there, but even the cops seemed like they were standing there helplessly without doing anything.
Well, absolutely. In fact, not only just the BBMP officials, but an IAS officer being heckled has gone down very on social media. People are criticizing, especially Satish Reddy had come out saying that there is a bed allotment scam. But now even his own close aide has come out in the picture in the bed allotment scam. In fact, his name is also being come up. He himself, however, clarifies that he is not involved, but investigation is going on. In fact, as we speak, the CCB has said that they've also identified many of the people there in this case. And this video of him in his own presence, an IAS officer being heckled, BBMP officials being heckled by the officials for carrying out their duty, has not gone down well with this, and the opposition is demanding action against Satish Reddy.